So hello guys, welcome back once again in this new tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna talk about how you can get this border effect on mobile apps, that too totally free. And one more thing, I'm also gonna show you how you can get this kind of text effect that I have been using on my journaling edit. So before beginning the video, let me tell you guys, in this video, I'm gonna use two applications. One is PicsArt to edit the photo and other is background eraser, because in order to get the border effect you need to remove the background of the images. The reason to this is because in both PicsArt and Canva the background remover is totally paid feature, so that's the reason why I'm using both these apps that are totally free. So let's get started now with the editing. So first of all, what I will do is that let's open background eraser app. So after opening the background eraser app, let's load the photo. Click on load the photo and select any of the photo. Just like this, we will select one of the photo. I will select this photo, and after selecting the photo, as you can see over here, it will say crop as much as possible. So let me tell you guys, don't crop over here. The reason I will tell you later on, but first of all, don't crop here. Just click on to done. As you can see on top right corner, click on to done. Okay, now first of all guys, let me remind you once again, turn off the Wi-Fi, because every application gives you lots of ads. So first of all, turn off the Wi-Fi. Okay, now we are in the background eraser app. As you can see, our photo is loaded. Now what I will do is that you can see there are many options in the bottom: auto selfie, auto color, magic, manual, repair. In manual you can do it, you can manually erase the background or whatever you want. In magic it happens magically, I will show you, but first we will go with auto color. Let's select auto color and just drag the crosshair on any of the point on the background that you want to remove, just like this. As you can see, most of the background is removed. Just drag any of over here, just like this. Okay, now what I will do, most of the background is removed, right? Now just let's click on to magic. Click on to magic, and what I will do, let's increase expectant magic size. Let's increase this. First of all, it will increase the size, as you can see. And what I will do, I will just click here and just click get on erasing, just like this. It will magically erase the background, the remaining part, as you can see. So that's how you can do it. This is how magic works. I will show you once again. First of all, let's erase this. I will fast forward this. Now as you can see guys, most of the top portion is removed. What I will do is, now let's just zoom in and then I will just erase the remaining part, just like this. You can drag it and see it will magically start erasing the background what we want to erase, just like this. You can do it, just do it slowly. As you can see over here, let's zoom in, the shoes part is also erased, so don't worry about that. I will tell you how to restore that as well, but first of all, erase the remaining part as well, just like this. So I will first of all fast forward this as well. Okay guys, now as you can see, most of the background is removed. Now what I will do, some of our shoes part like leg part is also missing, so we need to restore that as well. So in order to restore that, you can see on bottom there is a repair option. Just click on to repair option. You will get something like this. This is a light color background. You can toggle background as well. You can go on to bg color, click on to bg color. You can see you can get light or dark as well. So let's go with dark and let's zoom in. And what I will do, I will now click on to this and start restoring my image, just like this. You can restore it. As you can see, now I am restoring the main image that we want, just like this. Over here as well, you can see. Let's restore this here as well. You can see the application is very precise, guys. As you can see, this part is also missing. It shows like red, something like this highlights. So let's restore this as well. Now as you can see guys, most of my part is like restored, just like this over here, and almost the background is totally removed. Something is over here as well. Now what I will do, there are some parts remaining. What I will do, I will manually erase it. Just like click on to manual, there is some of the bits remaining and just erase it, just like this. you will get the background removed. You can get it done precisely as well, just like manually. If you want to erase, you can see over here there are some parts that are remaining, so I will erase this as well, make it something like smooth. There is no need to do a lot of editing over here, just do it. So sorry, now as you can see I have erased this as well. Just click on to repair and we will repair it first of all. Okay, now we will erase this as well, manually erase this. Let's click on to manual, let's erase this, let's erase this as well. And yeah, we are done with this. So we will go with this image and let's click on to done. Now after going on to done, you can select the smoothness as well. Here you will get this smoothness. So I will go with 3, something like 3. So what it will do is that it will just smooth the edges of the image, just like this, as you can see. And what I will do is now is that I will click on to save. That's the only thing that you need to do, and we are ready with our image. Background is removed. Now what I will do, I will just click on to finish. The next thing is that let's go on to now PicsArt and we will edit our image. Let's open PicsArt, and in PicsArt let's click on to edit a photo, and let's go on to, first of all, let's open the image. I will go on to gallery and gallery in camera, and let's open the image. So now what I will do is that this is the main image that we were editing, right? Now here we want to add the image that we have already removed our background, right? So in order to get that, in bottom just scroll on to the right, and onto the right you will see there is an add photo option. Just click on to add photo option. After clicking on to add photo, you will see there is an already image over here on the recent image. Or if you don't find the recent, just click on to top recent and go into the gallery. After going into the gallery, the image will be saved in the eraser album. So just click on to eraser and let's click on to this image. Now what I will do, let's click on to add. So it will add the image. So now let's scale this image to 100%. Just click on to this arrow, bottom right arrow, and just drag and just click scale it to 100%. Now you can see this is totally perfect now. You can see there are 2 layers. If you click on to this, there will be 2 layers just like this. So the bottom layer, you can see this layer is the main image, and the top layer is the layer which we have removed our background. The reason why I said earlier in the eraser app that don't crop the image, this is the reason why. If you crop the image, the resolution will also get decreased, so you will have to do lots of adjustments. In that eraser application it says crop as much as possible, but don't do that. So now what I will do is that our image is ready over here. If I click on to eye option on the background, you can see, yes, our image is ready. Now what I will do is that let's first of all turn off our main background image. So this background image. And now I will show you how you can add border. Select onto this background removed image, and on bottom you can scroll to right, and onto the right you will see there is a border option. Just click onto the border option and you will get the border effect. Now just adjust the amount size just like this. Whatever size you want, just adjust this. I will go with like 10. I think so 10 is good, and you can see that's how it's easy it is. And now let's turn on the main image as well. As you can see, that's the easiest way that you can do. So it will take some effort, but yeah, it's worth doing this with these 2 applications. If you want to do it totally free, then this is the way you can do it. That's how you can get the border. And the next I said, let's click on to done. What I will do, first of all, I will log these images. I will lock both of these images. As you can see, bottom layer, this is already locked. There is a lock option over here, and I will also lock these images because I'm editing text right now. And for text, if you are moving the text, it will randomly select this image as well, and it will move that as well. So that's why click on to the lock option on this image. Now what I will do, I will just click on to done, and let's add text. On bottom, you can see, just scroll on, click on to the text, and I will edit the text just like, let's go with like walk, anything, walking, and let's click, and now let's just adjust it as according to your needs. Just adjust it, and now this is onto the top, right? The text layer is onto the top. What I will do is now that click onto the layer once again, and just click onto the walking layer and drag it between both of the images just like this. As you can see now, the text layer is now below our leg. the background removed image. Just like this you can do it. And now what I will do, the effect that I was talking about. The effect that I was talking about is overlay effect. Now what I will do, just click on to layers, click on to walking, the text layer, and on bottom just scroll on to right and you will see a blend option. And on blend option, just click onto the blend option. You will get some effects just like normal, screen, multiply, darken, lighten, and overlay. There are this much of effects. The effect that I was talking was the overlay effect, overlay blend effect. So that's how you can do. And you can see over here it has totally blended now. You can definitely see that. So that's how I do it, guys. So now what I will do is that I will add some shadow effect to this text layer as well. So just click onto the text layer, go on, click onto the text layer, and now what I will do is that I will add some shadows so it will look good. And on bottom, just scroll on to the right and you can say click onto the shadow option and you will get the shadows. Let's adjust the opacity, blur as well. Just like this, I will go on to like 15 blur, 15, 16, 17 blur, whatever you want. And now what I will do, I will adjust the position. Just like this, horizontal position to something like 2, 3, 4, and vertical position, let's get it close. Just like this. This is the reason why I don't like PicsArt, because it's not very accurate while adjusting the position, but it's still okay. Let's just adjust the horizontal position as well, something like this. Okay, one. And yeah, you can see now it look great, like. So that's how you can guys do it, and this is the way you can do it. And for the border effect, first of all, you can change any color. I totally missed that earlier, but for border, yes, you can change the color as well. You can see on border just like this, you can change, but you need to select the layer first of all. Okay, so you can change any of the color as well, just like this or this, whatever color you want. There is a color picker as well. Let's go with like something yellow. Let's click onto the done. And this is how you can do it, guys. So I hope so guys you liked this tutorial. This was an easy tutorial, totally freely you can do it. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope so guys you liked it. And first of all, now let's extract this image. Let's click on to download. On top right you can see there is a download option, and now just click on to save as JPEG and click on to save. First of all, let's see if we got the image or not. Let's go on to the gallery. As you can see, I'm already in the gallery. Let's open PicsArt. So here is the image. You can see, yeah, we got totally free, guys. A little bit of effort, but it's totally free. That's how you can get the border effect and the text effect that I was talking about. So that's it for today, guys. I hope so guys you like this video. And yeah, that's it for today, guys, and see you soon, guys. Bye guys, love you all, guys. Bye guys.